Headlight restoration using the Brillo pad. At first I was just going to do a test patch on the corner to see how it worked out. Then I thought, you know what, let's just do the whole thing. Just rub the Brillo pad with a little bit of water across the gunge, and that's it. And then just wipe it off and then rinse it off with some fresh water.
It's pretty clean as it is.
And then towel dry it with some paper towels. Just dry it with some paper towels.
Now, this stuff.
Okay, so now you dried the headlamp, you spray on this silicone detailer, and this is basically protecting it from chips and stones and dirt. Basically, it's a protective coating. I bought it in a bicycle repair shop.
Holy mackerel! Look at that. Just before and after. There's the other one. I want to do that as well. Okay, Brillo pad. A little bit of water. Well, will you look at that? That is amazing. 2 minutes, literally, not even that. Get it nice and dry. Okay, now the clear coat. Silicone detailer, this stuff is called. Creates a protective film over the top.
2 minutes work and it's all done. And you got a brand new set of headlights for less than $10.